Hello everyone, welcome back to our C programming playlist. In the last video, we learned about data types and variables. But to actually see those values on the screen or take input from the user, we need something called format specifiers. In today's video, let's understand what format specifiers are, why they are important, and let's see them in action. Basically, what are format specifiers? So these nothing but this inform the compiler what type of data you are dealing basically in printf as well as scanf. When I say printf, let's say something similar to output. When you say scanf, something similar to input. Let's say commonly used format specifiers in C. So let's take format specifier, data type, as well as some example. So now if I say over here, percentage %d, it is for integer. The same thing you can also use percentage %i for integer. Then you have something called float. When you say float with points, 0.14, 0.6668. Now if you see here, 1.6668 is having 4 decimal places after the point. But what if I want to round it to only 2 decimal places? So then I'll be using 0.2f in only print statements, not while scanning. So percentage %2f, float 3.14, 1.67. So this is what basically use. So next we have something like double. So when your respective float value is not fitting in the range, then you go for double. So then you say percentage LF. So then you have long int, percentage LD. Then you have unsigned integer. If you only want to go to positive value, so then you write percentage U. So these are the different format specifiers for integers and floats. Now let's see percentage C. This is for A, Z, at the rate. All these are different characters. Let's see the format specifier for string. Percentage yes, it is for string. So we write Deva. So let's try to see what are the common mistakes what we are supposed to avoid while writing the format specifiers. So basically when you write wrong format specifier, that basically leads to the unexpected results like garbage value, some random values. We are not sure what those values are about. And similarly, if you are using something, we are supposed to exactly match the exact data type. Let's say if you want to print, if you want to read a float, then you are supposed to use float percentage f. If you want to read an integer, then you use percentile d. So that is something about format specifier, guys. So that is all for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.